Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nicole and I'm a freelance video producer and media trainer. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get rid of the hiss noise from the background of your video while recording. Okay, the point is, and I'm gonna talk today about DSLRs only because DSLRs have the issue with preamplifier, okay? So there is a huge problem when it comes to sound with the DSLRs, and it doesn't mean that you should stop using them because DSLR is a great way to record your videos and they're pretty much having like a huge beautiful quality. They're not that expensive like film cameras and so on. If you film with the DSLR, you must have external microphone. If you use the microphone which is integrated into the DSLR, first of all, this video is not for you, and secondly, you have to upgrade because the sound is horrible anyway. And it's because the DSLR is basically not meant for good audio. And even if you buy external microphone like this, for example, you need to be able to adjust it to get the best audio. Otherwise, you're gonna have the hiss sound in the background. It's a given, okay? And there's one thing that you can do, but your microphone needs to have gain adjustment. And some microphones do, some don't, but I would say majority of them have the possibility to change the gain and kind of like decide which one you want to go for. And I would suggest to go for the highest gain possible. Sometimes it's 0, 10, so plus 10, plus 20, and I've got plus 15 right here, and I go all the way on it. Okay, so I go to the maximum. I'm going to show you everything. The biggest mistake that people do on the DSLR, and it's kind of like logical, so I don't blame them, but what you're trying to do is to boost the input levels in your camera to go like minus 12, let's say. And that's the biggest mistake because that's exactly what creates hiss from microphones like these. And you might not have like any issues with other microphones, that's fine, but usually shotguns or lav mics, okay? But the more complicated ones that you can actually adjust gain. If you can't, then usually you don't have the hiss, so no problem. But if you have more, so because you ask yourself like, oh, I bought this expensive microphone and I'm getting the hiss and I don't know like why, and I don't know what to do about it, like what am I supposed to do? And this microphone, for example, costs 200 pounds, and I'm gonna get a lot of hiss if I don't adjust the gain here and in the camera. So, you know, if I didn't know that, I would be like 200 pounds and all I'm getting is a lot of hiss. Like, I don't want that. And spending so much time in the post-production trying to fix this is not a solution, to be honest. Like, you cannot spend so much time editing this. You have to get this right during the recording. So let me show you how to do this. First of all, I want to say that you need to have your sound recording set to manual if you want to be able to adjust gain manually. And if you have this on automatic, there are some probably situations where you cannot control the sound going really crazy. So yeah, but 99% of the time go manual if you can adjust gain yourself. So don't forget to do this. And I have my microphone plugged in now, and I want to show you first what happens when you actually increase that gain. And now I'm recording at the levels that basically peak at around minus 12, and like overall, like this is the great way to record audio in video cameras, like literally professional video cameras and camcorders. And with the DSLR, that's why it's tricky, because you should not do this at all, and you should do quite the opposite, as I mentioned before. So as you can hear, like the hiss sound is horrible, like it's so loud, and my voice is nice and clear and it's cool, but the hiss noise is something that will give you headache. And as I mentioned, like you buy a microphone for 200 quid and then, or 500 or 1000, and it's gonna give you this noise and you will be like, oh my god, like what's going on? And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna adjust gain on the microphone and I'm gonna lower the gain in the DSLR, and you will hear where that hiss went. So I adjusted the gain. So I adjusted the gain only on the microphone, up, and DSLR down. And like, seriously, can you hear the difference? Like, I'm at the same distance, I'm talking the same way, and literally there should be no hiss. I could basically hear some music from my neighbor, but that's pretty much it. Overall, like other than that, there's no hiss or like whatsoever. So that is the actual key for success in terms of the audio. And yeah, I guess now I'm gonna join the party at my neighbor's. So see you later. As I told you in the beginning, it's quite easy and quick trick and tip, and it's gonna change the whole game for you. So if you like this video and if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, you can share it, and please subscribe, because I'm going to post many more tutorials, so don't miss anything. Subscribe, and if you have any questions at any point about anything, go to the comment section and leave me a comment, and I'm gonna answer all of them. And yeah, good luck.